Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Every single day in our classroom, we fight a battle for attention and understanding. And our best weapons in that battle are visuals. A simple mind map can untangle a complex topic. A quick explanatory diagram can make an abstract idea crystal clear. In this video, I am sharing one excellent platform that completely solves this problem. It allows you to generate professional looking mind maps, diagrams and infographics for your lesson, not in hours but in seconds. So let's explore. This platform is called Napkin AI. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So look at the pricing first. So it's free for 500 AI credits per week, which is enough to generate a lot of material for the classroom. You have unlimited visual editing, unlimited file import, unlimited PNG and PDF, and there are built-in styles fonts, standard icons, and napkin branding on visuals. So first of all, you need to sign in. I am signing in by using my Google account. So once I finished my signing in process, I need to click create my first napkin. So if you have already some text from website or from your own textbook, or you want to type something, you can create here. But I'm using AI for generating the text. Click here. So let me write a topic. So I wrote explain plate tectonics in details. You can also add, for example, which grade you are looking for or what specific details you are looking to. Create continue. So you can see one document has been generated. Now I need to convert into visuals. For example, I want to create some infographic or flow chart or some explanation diagram for this part, so I need to select. Once you select it, you can see here create visual. Click here. So wow, so you can see here an amazing infographic has been generated with clearly icons and information. You can also edit this information by just clicking it. So also you can see on the left hand there are multiple options. So for example, if you don't like this style, you can choose another style and also customize it. You can click here to customize and you can specify your visual as well. So I'm selecting the second one, let's say. Also I can change style from here. There are different styles. Similarly, I can change the aspect ratio. It is 1:1 right now. If I want to create for presentation, I can select 16 and 9, let's say. You can also change the colors. Let's try one more. So here you can see driving forces of plate tectonics, and you can see then amazing infographics is here. This is really awesome. If you want to download this picture only, you can download and export with PPT or PDF or SVG or PNG. So PNG is without background. For example, if you want it for teaching purpose, you can directly download as PPT. Just click here, download. So you can see here the file has been downloaded and it is completely editable also. You can select the shapes, you can select the text, and you can change according to your requirement. So you can see here it's already saved for future work or future reference. So I can use it for another class or another time. So I tried it and found it extremely useful. So please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.